This heat gun is perfect for a craft room, among other things. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I know heat guns can be used for a lot of things, but one of my favorite things to use them for is crafts. Have you ever done crayon melting art? It's so fun! And this heat gun made it so easy to do. You can see here that on the back of this heat gun, you have a lot of control over the amount of heat coming out of this gun. And not only heat control, but you have control over the airflow as well. You can set it to right where you need it to be. It has a large LCD display on the back of the gun, so you can clearly see what temperature you're at, what speed you're at. There's also a memory mode function, so when you turn it off and then back on, it goes right back to the last temperature and speed setting. The heat gun comes with 4 nozzles, so you can get really good control for what you are utilizing it for. This thing heats up so fast. In 1.5 seconds, it is ready to go. It also has a 10-second power off delay to let your heat slow down before turning it off. This is done because it will extend the life of your unit. You can also use it for shrink wrap tubing, for heating up rusted bolts, really anything you need to use a heat gun for, this will work. So if you're looking to have a little bit of fun and get creative, grab some crayons and a canvas and enjoy playing with this heat gun. We recommend it.